happy.
Yeah?
I don't need sauce for this.
Hello and welcome to Goma at Home. Today we're preparing French fries. So yung pinaka-ingredient lang dito, simple lang, potatoes lang. And then we'll cut this and then fry it. But we're going to blanch it first. And then we're going to refry the potato para mas malutong. So first, what we'll do is, we'll peel our potatoes. Okay? Kuminsan, hindi naman sa kailangan na 100% na pinipil mo para matanggal lahat ng balat. Kahit ganyan lang, o pwede na. Kahit mga 80%, 90%, matanggal lang yung skin, pwede na. Okay? So, once it's peeled, puputulin natin siya. Thank you so much to Jean Gonzalez for sending me your Kitchen Pro knife. It's really sharp. Really sharp. I tried it and it's so sharp. Just cut it there. And one more time. And one more time. Alam niyo ba kung bakit ko naisipan na magluto ng French fries today? Because when I was young, I used to work in McDonald's. And in McDonald's before, I used to prepare French fries sa back sink. Pag nasa back sink ka, ikaw yung nagbubuot ng isang sako ng potatoes. Tapos ilalagay mo sa peeler. And then pag pinil mo siya, puputulin mo na siya ng pag ganito. Yan pahaba, ganito. Yun. And then meron kaming slicer talaga ng potatoes. So once ma-peel namin siya, tsak, ganun. Ilalagay na sa slicer and then lalabas siya na. Slice na siya ng ganito. Okay. Tapos huhugasan mo lang siya para matanggal yung excess starch na nandun sa potatoes. Yun. And then pag nandun naman kami sa kitchen, yun. I also cook French fries sa fry station. That's why I'll tell you how we do it. We cook it in, the first step is to cut it. And then, yung first cook niya, in medium heat lang for about 6 minutes. Hindi kailangan na mag-brown yung potatoes. Kailangan lang ma-blanch mo siya para lumambot. And then you'll cool it down about 3 hours before you refry the fries. Ang ganda ng Kitchen Pro niya, no? Ni Chef Jean Gonzalez. Very sharp. Tsaka, sap ng handling niya. Sa hawakan. Thank you so much, Jean, for the wonderful knife. And si Jean Gonzalez, si Chef Jean, was my teammate when we used to fence. Ang weapon ni Jean Gonzalez is saber. Ako naman, ang weapon ko is epee. Jean Gonzalez owns Cafe Isabel dyan sa San Juan. So it's really good food. Isa sa pinaka-favorite ng dessert ko dyan is yung tocino del cielo. Really, really good. Alright, so naputulan natin yung potatoes natin. Hugasan natin yung potatoes natin to remove the starch. But before that, nag-iinit na tayo ng oil natin. Okay? Kailangan deep fry. So, lahat itong oil na to, ilalagay ko na dito sa Kitchen Pro ko. Yan, thank you so much, Jean. In fact, nakita ko sa TV. Kasi ganyan, di ba, matagal. So, ginagawa nila para mas mabilis yung binubutas nila na gano'n. Tapos yun, once mabutas siya na gano'n, once may hole na siya, mas mabilis na yung tagas ng oil. See? Ginagawa nila sa mga commercial kitchen. Okay. So, we'll wash your potato. Ayan lang. Just to remove the excess starch. Tsaka para maghiwalay na rin yung mga potatoes. Yun. And then, from here on, diretso na itong lulutuin na natin. So, naugasan natin yung potatoes natin. And then, initin natin yung oil natin. Up to about mga 230 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay, so right now wala pa. Okay, let's see. Dili natin butang. So now we're at temperature. Nasa 230 na siya. Alright. Let me just take this out. And then ilalagay natin yung potatoes natin. Dahan-dahan lang. Okay, dun. Ayan. Okay. Hayaan mo lang siyang kumulo dyan para hindi siya lumigit. Haluin lang natin siya. Yan. Okay, ingat din kayo, baka biglang tumalsik na naman to. Mantika niya, napakainit na yan. We'll give it about 5 minutes and then we will check. Make sure na hindi siya magdikit-dikit. Okay, yun. After 2 minutes, tignan natin kung nagdikit-dikit na. Hindi, yun ang maganda. Alam niyo ba na meron National French Fry na sinaselebrate sa Amerika every July 13? At alam niyo ba na yung French fries na to, hindi ito nagsimula sa France. Actually, nag-originate to sa Belgium, no? And naging very popular tong French fries na to during the World War I. Now, bakit nila tinawag na French fries? Kasi sa Belgium, ang salita ng mga tao doon is also French. Pero since nagsimula siya, French fries. Yun, ganun lang, no? So, Belgium is the home to the world's first and only French Fry Museum. Sila talaga yung merong French Fry Museum. Kalain mo, no? Talagang inangkin na nila yung French fry. Pero pag nandun ka naman sa pag nasa Europe ka naman, pag nasa UK ka, hindi fries ang tawag nila. Ang tawag nila doon ay chips. Yun. Pero pag bumalik ka sa Amerika, gusto kong batiin siyempre si June Novi, si Wesley, at saka si Cholo Datuin of Eastville, California. Yan. Sa kanila, French fries. Okay. So, 3 minutes gone. Another 2 minutes. 2 or 3 minutes, no? Tapos, hahanguin na natin siya. And then, palalamigin natin. I have fond memories of doing French fries talaga. Naalala ko talaga nung bata pa ako. Tatrabaho sa McDonald's. Ganto-ganto yun. Except that, nasa vat yung mga niluluto namin. Talaga niya, may timer po. Ganun. Tapos, pagluto na yung French fries, lagyan mo lang siya ng salt, a little pepper, hahaluin mo, and then, yun na, ilalagay mo na sa packet, chak, ganun. I-serve mo na sa tao. Up to now, it's the same thing that they do. Except that ngayon, dumating na yung fries sa mga restaurants. Pre-cut na siya. No? Lulutuin mo na lang siya. Hindi katulad dati, piniprepare mo siya from scratch na ganito. Alright, so after 6 minutes of blanching it, kuhanguin na natin siya. Yun. See? Hindi siya kailangan lutong-luto. Parang halfway lang siya. So, half cook lang. No? Lumambot lang. Yun. See, malambot. Dandahan kasi napuputol siya. Okay. At this point on, maganda to. You let it rest. Palamigin mo na mabuti for about siguro mga 3 to 4 hours. And then, i-refry natin siya. Pag refry natin, doon natin makuha yung crunch at saka yung golden brown crispiness of French fries. Okay, let's set temperature. Dapat 320, 330. Good. Really hot. So now, yung blanch natin na fries, we cool this down for about 4 hours. So malamig na talaga to. So, yan o. Ibabagsak na natin sa hot oil. Careful. Yan, para hindi siya magdikit-dikit. Yun. Init. So yung 330, 340 temperature, bababa po yan ng mga 300 because of this. There you go. Tapos, after 1 minute, parang shake natin siya. Yun. I-mix natin siya para hindi sila magdikit-dikit. Ano? And then pag golden brown na siya, hanguin natin. And then we'll season it with salt and pepper. So, we'll prepare our pepper. Hello, Juliana. How are you guys? Hi, Miggy. Come here. Look, join me. Guess what I'm preparing today?
French fries.
Fries. Yep. No, I featured this, Juliana, because not a lot of people know that when I was young, when I was about 17, bagong graduate lang ako ng high school noon, I used to work in McDonald's.
Yeah.
Yeah. And one of the food that we would prepare in McDonald's was French fries. So I showed them how fries are cooked.
So you're reminiscing.
The McDonald's way. Yeah. It's reminiscing. And then I'll get this one.
That's
This
where
one we're
you're
going
gonna
to toss the fry. Correct. And then we'll have ketchup and mustard. The best. Okay. So we'll check.
How long does the frying take?
This one takes about 5 minutes at about 320 degrees Fahrenheit. Ganda, oh. Lapit na to. Were you with us, Julian, in Paris when, you know, then,
Yes, the
remember? L'Entrecôte? L'Entrecôte
yeah,
restaurant?
yeah, yeah.
You know, in L'Entrecôte restaurant, they serve steak there, no? And then, yun na yung serve na, steak
And
and fries.
fries.
Yes, and then,
That's the only...
and then with peppercorn sauce.
What sauce do they put on the steak?
Peppercorn.
Yung parang
Yun lang, ganun lang.
delicious.
So when you sit there in L'Entrecôte in Paris, they'll ask you, how do you want your steak done? So if you want it rare, medium rare, or medium well, ganun lang. And then they'll serve half first of your order.
I especially like how they serve half first.
Di ba?
Yeah.
Sabi ko, first time nilang pag-serve sa akin, liit naman ito. Ho?
Konti.
Konti na ito, parang na-short change yata ako. Yung pala, they only serve half first.
Yeah.
Kasi para hindi lumamig yung steak.
I like that. I like that part.
Di ba?
Yeah.
And then when you're done, they'll give you
It's
the
like
other half.
surprise you already knew what's
Yeah.
coming.
So you've traveled already, di ba?
Yes.
In the States, in the Philippines, we call this fries.
Yeah.
How do they call this in UK?
Chips.
Correct! Chips! Shit!
Sorry.
Galing. Let's mix it. Ooh, there you go. Lapit na to. Yeah, okay. Last minute.
Sorry, what's the temp for the oil?
It's about more 320 Fahrenheit. Yeah, it must be very hot. Yeah, it's gotta be hot. That's how you achieve the golden color and the crispiness of the fries. Wow.
How do you know when it's ready? What's your indicator?
When it's crispy, you'll feel it here. Come, right, careful lang. You'll feel how crispy it is when you mix it. See,
Yeah, you can tell.
you can feel it, diba?
Yeah. So this is how you know it's
That's
finished.
actually cooked. That's actually cooked already. I just want it more golden.
Yeah, you can feel it.
Diba?
But doesn't the color change when it's out of the oil?
No,
Like there's
It-
discoloration.
it remains the same.
And I asked that because like when I cook spam,
No,
it gets darker.
darker. Yeah. Sa meat naman yata ganun eh. So it's crispy and it's golden brown now. You'll get it now. Look at this. We'll put it here. We'll toss it here.
I
Then
would like the toss.
toss it. Yeah, go ahead. Sure. Put some salt.
It distributes.
Yeah, the seasoning. Then put some pepper. Go and toss it. I'll get the plate. Okay,
Salt, pepper, but
good, nice. Let's serve it. Then put some seasoning. And then what we'll do,
the sauce.
we'll
Oh, I see.
put some cheese there on top.
Okay, okay.
Huh? Not bad.
I agree.
Good.
Yes, yes.
Diba?
It's very generous. Very
Of course.
generous serving of cheese.
Yeah. And then, to finish it off, let's put some sauce. Ketchup. Good. Some ketchup
So
in.
good.
And we'll mix the mustard. Okay. There. Just on top.
Oh my.
There. Okay. So there you go.
It's really good.
Serving of French fries.
One of my favorites.
So what? Let's try it.
Yes.
Huh? Go. Try it. Go, go.
Some cheese.
Yeah, then
I like it
and
alone.
dip.
Not good.
What?
Not good.
I'm so happy.
Yeah. Love it with mustard.
I don't need sauce for this. It's that good.
What's good with the mustard, but
Is it?
Huh?
I went to the other side.
Okay. There you go. So French fries. Thank you for joining me right here at Goma. Thank you, Miggy. Thank you, Juliana. Say to your mom, Jenny, and to your dad, Carlo.
Thank you for the fries.
Yeah? Okay.
Very good.
Dad.
Okay. Thank you so much. Please like, subscribe, and press on the notification bell para alam niyo pag may tayong bagong video na lalabas dito sa Goma at Home. Thank you so much. Juliana, Miggy, and Richard Gomez. Thank you. I'll see you soon. Bye!